Hello all you tool fans, my name is Zure and today we're going to talk about our bottom bracket socket family. All our bottom brackets are made in our factories in Slovenia in the very heart of Europe. They are all CNC machined out of aluminum for a durable finish and precise fit. For every bottom bracket on the market, we have a solution for you. As we have so many different bottom bracket standards, this makes our lives very confusing. To make it more simple, just go to one of our sockets product webpage, scroll down to our compatibility chart link, click it, open it, and you will see a simple chart in PDF where you can find your bottom bracket standard and see which of our sockets actually fits. To choose the right bottom bracket socket, make sure to check our compatibility chart. Thanks for watching. See you next time.